In Scenario 8, we will demonstrate our powerful incident prioritization framework and how incidents are managed within our SOAR component ArcSight Respond. Correct incident prioritization is absolutely key to effective triage and investigation and must take into account an increasingly diverse and richer set of indicators in order to focus the analyst's attention. Respond acts as the glue, arbitrating between multiple sources of threat indicators or influencers within the SecOps ecosystem to ultimately determine the all-important incident priority that will drive the analyst workflow. We call this multidimensional prioritization, and we'll start by looking at each of these influencers in turn. Some components are covered in more detail in other demonstrations. Our correlation engine incorporates a mature threat-level modeling calculator that tags each event in real time. ArcSight Intelligence leverages sophisticated statistical modeling to provide risk scores to entities. The layering of both machine learning and correlation in itself builds a third, even more rich source of prioritization. Whilst our basic and premium Galaxy Threat Intel services further contribute valuable live, public or curated threat scoring against known bad actors. And finally, ArcSight Respond provides the customer full and ultimate control over how security incidents or cases are generated and assigned a severity to best accommodate each organization's perspective of what matters to me. Let's take a look at how all this comes together in Respond. Respond is built around a highly flexible playbook engine and includes many standard playbook templates out of the box. Each playbook can be configured to branch the workflow according to many decision tree factors, with Respond ultimately generating a new case and dynamically assigning the severity, and thus the overall ranking in the analyst work queue. The workflow is created using a powerful visual playbook editor. Here we're selecting from available conditions that will drive both case severity and the next stage of the workflow. These conditions can all be augmented and are fully customizable to the organization's SOC requirements, for example, defining normal working hours. Now we leverage Respond's broad integration capability with a CMDB to match against VIP users. We can overwrite the incident severity at any branch in the workflow and in combination with other decisions within the flow. Thus, we can update the incident severity to urgent when either a VIP user or an admin account are matched within the triggering event. Finally, we see how straightforward it is for the analyst to update, reopen, elevate, and ultimately close the case. This ends demonstration 8. Thank you.